Hi, my name is Hans-Peter, owner of Cool Webinars. The following is a demonstration of my sound programming works for Easy Sounds, Germany. All examples are taken from the sound set Live Instruments. My job was to adapt all sample-based voices for the Yamaha MOX and S series, because these instruments don't have the ability to load samples. So I reproduced whole voices or single elements based on ROM waveforms. First 4 voices are FM electric pianos. Sample-based. No samples. Sample-based. And no samples. Now 2 organs, first sample-based. And without samples. Again with samples. And no samples. The following voice contains a mellotron sample. And now the version based on ROM waveforms. The next few voices are electric pianos again. Peter, owner of Easy Sounds Germany, gave me the idea to take Chicks Mark V as an inspiration for a new electric piano sound based on ROM waveforms. Here comes the original. And now a few variations of my own voices. I like to end this demonstration with 3 voices, which are all creations or combinations. This small collection is taken from Live Instruments. Please also view the second sound programming demo, which has some interesting examples taken from Fat Analog 2. There are a few good old synthesizer classics like Oberheim, Jupiter and so on, which I reproduced from the original samples using the ROM waveforms. If you are interested in my sound programming skills or more, please visit my website cool-webinars.com/en/sound-programming2. Thanks for watching.